Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete Bitmoji on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check out what we actually have in front of us. So in the bottom right corner, as you can see, we have the spotlight. We also have the stories where you can check out all of the stories. We have the screen where you can go and check for your photos. And we have the location and chats. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete Bitmoji on Snapchat. So first of all, open Snapchat and tap on your Bitmoji in the top left corner to go to your profile. You can do that on any of these pages, as you can see. You just need to go and tap on the top left corner. Then tap on the gear icon settings in the top right corner. Scroll down to Bitmoji section and just go and tap on it. Then select Remove by My Bitmoji at the bottom of the screen. Confirm that you want to remove your Bitmoji. And once you did this, your Bitmoji will be unlinked from your Snapchat account. So that will be that, guys. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you found this video informative. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.